Hi, boys and girls. All right, so today we are going to learn how to determine, it's called the fraction of a set. The fraction of a set. So, boys and girls, sometimes you'll be asked questions like, what is 3/4 of 16? 3/4 of 16. So now we have to determine what the fraction of that number is. So in this case, we have to figure out what 3/4 of 16 is. So as usual, you know me, my first strategy is going to be drawing the fraction. All right, so this is what that means. So when you draw 3/4 of 16, you first need to draw a rectangle, okay? And we know that that rectangle is going to symbolize 16 because that's the full amount of our set, okay? So I like to draw the bracket to know that this means 16, okay? Now the second half is that we need to split this up into fourths. So we're going to split this rectangle into 4 equal parts because that's what our denominator tells us. And if there are 4 equal parts and the whole is 16, then we know that each part has to equal 4, right? Because 4 times 4 is 16. So then what is 3/4 of 16? Well, if I shade in 3/4, that's 4 plus 4 plus 4. So what is 3/4 of 16? The answer is 12.